Hey you, it's Cammielle. I have a bad allergic reaction to my face and neck and décolleté. I was cleaning up an area which had an old bonnet I found where the elastic band was sticky, and I did not wash my hands afterwards. I continued cleaning the area and occasionally touched my neck and face, mainly my cheeks and my neck and décolleté, and it led to this redness, blotchiness, and itchy feeling that prevented me from not wanting to do a glycolic peel I was planning on doing. So I need to make sure my skin is nice and clear, looks all hydrated and ready for a glycolic peel later on in the future. And here is what I did that day. I washed my face in the area twice with some Dove sensitive soap bar, as well as the Aveeno Ultra cleanser. Once I did that, I'm using the Aquaphora hydrating treatment and to lock in the moisture, as well as adding it to my lips. So the next day, I believe my face is slightly more clearer, no puffiness. That is from the allergic reaction, not from clogged pores or anything. But the neck and décolleté area, the chest, upper area where the clavicle is not as cleared up. It still has some scars from me scratching it. So I need to work on that, hydrate it, and let it heal. Once it's healed, then I may do a peel. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Now, the neck is a bit more irritated more than ever, little bumps and dryness, I believe. Now, 3 days later, so 5 days from my allergic reaction, it is a bit more red, i.e. because I've scratched. And I also noted that if it's scratchy, that means it's dry. So I put lotion on and that didn't work. And I continued to scratch. So I have ruined the area more further. So please like and subscribe, and maybe I'll give you another update on it. And let's embrace some joy too.